Nothing seems unusual, just another worker stepping toward a processing unit behind the blue container, preparing to operate it like he's done countless times before. But watch closely. A faint trail of smoke begins to rise from the machine. It's subtle, almost easy to ignore, but within seconds, the smoke thickens, turning into a violent plume as the internal components overheat. The worker notices it just in time. His instincts kick in. He steps back, eyes locked on the source, realizing something is very, very wrong. Had the worker hesitated for even a moment, had he taken one more step toward the machine, the explosion would have struck him directly. Shrapnel, flame, and force, all unleashed in a split second. The workers continue as if nothing happened. No shutdown, no supervisor, no attempt to isolate the machine or call a technician. Just business as usual in a workshop where a machine has literally just exploded. A forklift is trying to lift a small red road roller. Instead of proper rigging or lifting points, they've just slid the forklift's tines underneath the roller like it's a wooden pallet. No straps, no chains, no stabilizers, nothing. There's a woman who tries to help goes behind the roller. The roller shifts forward. The machine lifts up on the front and comes crashing down. The worker in the dangerous zone doesn't even have time to step back. This is the kind of mistake that doesn't give second chances. A young man seeking leverage to tighten the three-jaw chuck on a manual lathe makes a critical error in judgment. He uses his knee to push the chuck wrench, a common and potentially dangerous shortcut often seen in workshops. The cause was a failure to respect the fundamental safety protocols of lathe operation. The mistake was applying excessive, uncontrolled force to the chuck wrench using a part of the body, rather than the intended use of hand force or a proper chuck key. This practice risks the wrench being left in the chuck or, more immediately, the wrench slipping and causing severe injury. The potential for the wrench to become a projectile when the machine is turned on, or for the operator to lose balance and fall into the moving parts, is immense. Raw power, molten steel, and moments where things go incredibly wrong. In this steel rolling mill, high-stakes operations are an everyday reality. But watch closely as the process goes off the rails, because what starts as a glowing hot billet, meant to be perfectly shaped, suddenly turns into a violent eruption of molten metal. That glowing mass, originally whipping around like a fiery serpent, is just the beginning. What you're actually seeing in this clip is far more dangerous than a simple rolling mill failure. It's a full-scale system malfunction. Inside the factory, a malfunction triggered a sudden release of molten metal from a pressurized rod. The searing beam of liquid metal exploded upward, launching with violent force and reaching several meters high. A nearby worker just steps away, instinctively jumped back, escaping by a razor-thin margin. Molten metal operations demand extreme caution and reliable equipment maintenance. Always maintain a safe distance, wear full protective gear, and stay alert for sudden system failures. And in this next incident, captured inside a textile plant, that split-second shift from normal to catastrophic happens right before the camera's eye. In an industrial environment, the line between routine procedure and catastrophic failure can be razor-thin. It is a line crossed in a fraction of a second, often due to the most human of errors: complacency. This is what happened in a textile plant on October 15, 2022, as captured by an IP camera. The scene is a busy factory floor, dominated by massive orange warper machines. These machines wind hundreds of threads of yarn from racks onto a large spool or beam, preparing them for the weaving process. A worker, experienced in her role, was performing a task she likely completed 1,000 times before, cutting off old thread and starting new ends running into the beam. The incident was set in motion when a critical safety protocol was bypassed. To set up the machine, a safety bar must be removed. The worker, in a moment of inattention, left her hand resting on the beam as it began to turn and speed up. Her focus broken, her hand slipped into the gap between the main beam and a smaller pressure roller behind it. In these kinds of environments, one moment of inattention can have irreversible consequences. Stay alert, follow safety protocols, and respect the machinery. In this next incident, captured on oil rig, the shift from routine procedure to catastrophic failure occurs right before the camera's eye. Two workers, a derrick man and a floor man, are in a yellow man basket preparing to perform a task high above the rig floor. The air is thick with the sound of heavy machinery. They are tripping out drill pipe, the process of removing sections of pipe from the wellbore to change the drill bit or perform other maintenance. The environment is cramped, industrial, and inherently dangerous, with massive forces and heavy steel constantly in motion. The incident was set in motion by a critical failure of equipment or procedure. The drill pipe, which should have been securely latched by the elevators or held by the slips, was not. It appears the pipe backed out of the top drive or the securing mechanisms were not fully engaged. As the pipe was being lifted, the unsecured section suddenly fell. The massive weight of the falling pipe created a catastrophic situation. The workers in the basket, looking up just as the pipe began its descent, were in immediate danger as the heavy string of steel crashed down around them. The slips, the clamps meant to hold the pipe in place on the rig floor, also failed to stop the falling weight. In these kinds of environments, one moment of inattention can have irreversible consequences. Stay alert, follow safety protocols, and respect the machinery. The air is filled with the subtle scent of cotton and the rhythmic operation of spools unwinding and rewinding. A lone worker, tasked with monitoring the equipment, stands near a running warping machine. The timestamp in the corner marks the early hours of the morning, a time when fatigue often takes its toll. The incident was set in motion by a simple yet critical human factor: exhaustion. The worker, slowly drifting to sleep while standing, lost consciousness and fell forward, head first, into the moving parts of the machine. The machine continued its relentless process, drawing the worker into its mechanism. There were no immediate witnesses to the fall. It was only after a period of time that co-workers noticed something was amiss. Rushing to the scene, they managed to stop the machine and pull the worker out. Remarkably, the individual survived, sustaining a concussion and bruises. In environments like this, one moment of inattention can have irreversible consequences. Stay alert, follow safety protocols, and respect the machinery. The scene is an aluminum smelter, a loud and intense industrial environment where massive overhead cranes maneuver ladles filled with liquid metal. Workers, often using remote controls, guide these heavy loads through the facility. In this specific instance, an operator was positioning a ladle, a seemingly simple task performed countless times before. The cause of the incident was not mechanical failure, but a critical lapse in human vigilance. The crane operator failed to ensure the crane's hook was properly disengaged from the ladle before moving the crane laterally. This inattention set the incident in motion. As the crane moved, the still attached hook pulled the heavy ladle, causing it to overturn and spill its contents of molten aluminium onto the factory floor. The worker initiated the crane lift, expecting the safety systems to hold firm. However, a catastrophic flaw was already in play. The heavy-duty hook had failed to lock in properly, a detail tragically overlooked in the rush. Just moments into the lift, the unstable load slipped free, and the massive part, weighing thousands of pounds, came crashing down right on top of him. Trapped underneath, with only a small, horrifying gap keeping him from being crushed completely, he lay there conscious but utterly helpless. Seconds later, quick-thinking co-workers rushed in, recognizing the severity of the situation instantly. They quickly reattached the crane, lifting the perilous load just enough to pull the victim to safety. He survived, but barely, an inch separating him from a fatality. The critical lesson here is unwavering. Never lift heavy machinery without securing proper hooks, shackles, and meticulous load checks. A rushed lift can turn into a deadly collapse in an instant. Double check, triple check, because when thousands of pounds fall, luck should never be your safety plan.
A lone worker approached the doorway to initiate the fire. However, instead of using the strictly approved and safe fueling material, he made a catastrophic choice and tossed in something entirely unusual, an item that was highly combustible and never belonged near an open flame. This reckless improvisation led to an immediate and violent reaction. The volatile material ignited instantly, causing a massive burst of fire to erupt outward, engulfing the entire furnace doorway in blazing heat and thick smoke. In a terrifying split second, the worker barely managed to leap back, escaping what could easily have been a fatal inferno that flashed across the factory floor. This incident underscores a vital lesson. Never, under any circumstances, improvise when fueling or igniting industrial furnaces. Always use only approved materials and rigorously follow strict firing procedures, because a single wrong item tossed into the mix can instantly turn a powerful piece of machinery into a devastating firebomb.